Dear students, topic for this section is the constructive cost model, that is COCOMO model. This model gained popularity in the publication of B.W. Boehm's excellent book, that is Software Engineering Economics, in 1981. COCOMO is a hierarchy of software cost estimation model. It is a cost estimation model which include basic, intermediate and detailed sub model. So we will see one by one. First is basic model. So the basic model aims at estimating in a quick and rough fashion most of the small to medium size software projects, and here the three modes of software development are considered, that is organic mode, semi-detached mode and embedded mode. In the organic mode, a small team of experienced developers develop software in a very familiar environment. Here the size of the software development ranges from small to medium, means from few KLOC to tens of KLOC line of code. While in other two models the size ranges from small to very large. Okay, and in the embedded mode, of software development, the project has tight constraints which might be related to the target processor, and the semi-detached mode is an intermediate mode between the organic and embedded mode. So see this table, these are the three models: organic, semi-detached and embedded. Project size for organic is typically 2 to 50 KLOC, and it is applicable for small size project, experienced developer in the familiar environment, and innovation is little here. Deadline of the project is not tight and the development environment is familiar or in-house. Second is semi-detached. Here the project size is from 50 to 300 KLOC. Here the medium size project are developed. Medium size team average previous experience on similar project. For example, utility systems like compilers, database system and editors. Here the innovation is medium. Deadline of the project is medium and development environment is also medium. Embedded, typically over 300 KLOC. Above 300 KLOC we will refer the embedded model. Large project, real-time system, complex interfaces, ATMs, air traffic control. These are the examples of embedded. Innovation is significant here. Deadline of the project is tight and development environment is complex. Hardware, customer interfaces are required. Okay. So this basic COCOMO model, depending on the problem at hand, the team might include a mixture of experienced as well as less experienced people with only a recent history of working together. So the basic COCOMO equation take the form E is equal to AB KLOC raised to BB. Okay, and D is equal to CB E CB into bracket E raised to DB. Okay, so where E is the effort? E is the effort which is applied in person months, number of person required for a month, and D is the development time in months, and the coefficient AB, BB, CB and DB are given in the table. See the coefficient of AB, BB, CB and DB. Okay, so these are the values for organic, these are the values for semi-detached, and these are the values for embedded mode. Okay, now we will see some examples on this COCOMO model in the next section. Thank you.